TikTok is still one of the most popular social media platforms out there. If you're just getting started, don't worry, you're right on time to join the fun. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps to create a new TikTok account on your Android phone. Let's get started. First, go to the Play Store and search for TikTok. Install the app from there, and after installing it, open it. Now you will be prompted to give a phone permission. Simply give them one by one. After that, go to the Profile tab and tap on Sign Up. You can create an account with your phone number or your email, or simply continue with Google or Facebook. For this video, I'll use phone or email. Now after this, you can choose your preferred method, like using a phone number by adding your phone, or using an email by adding your email address. After adding it, simply hit Continue. Now you'll receive a verification code on the number or email address you have provided. For email, the code will come to your Gmail, so simply add the code in the box and continue. Now you should be prompted to enter your birthday. After adding it, simply hit Next. Now create a password for your account. When you are done with it, hit Continue. After that, create unique nickname for yourself and confirm it. And that's it. You just created your brand new account. Now if you want to customize your profile, simply go to the Profile menu and tap on Edit Profile. Just customize your profile after this the way you like. And that wraps up today's tutorial. I really hope you found it helpful. If you're looking for more tips and insights about TikTok, make sure to stay tuned to the channel. I've got plenty more videos coming your way, so don't miss out.